Yes, guys, Etsy high demand, low competition, digital products. Let's go. Guys, hope you guys are well. Guys, here's another video on products that I think really fantastic to sell on Etsy. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've typed in itinerary template. Itineraries, fantastic, guys. Really, really fantastic niche to get into. So look, you can see that the results for this itinerary is 19,458. I like that. It's not bad. I like to stay under the 20K. If you go less than that, it's even better. So look, it's about niching down, it's about niching down into something where there's less competition. So let's say, I don't know, I might type in girls trip, a girls trip itinerary template. Let me just type that in just so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now, what happens here is that it niches down, right? It niches down a lot. So you can see that it's given me 1,788 results, which is fantastic. It's exactly what I'm looking for. You got travel itinerary, and also it gives you, what's nice is it then gives you some ideas as well. So you got a girls trip itinerary template, travel planner, because travel planners I've talked about. Check it out in my playlist, guys. Loads of things, guys, that I talk about. So you got mobile travel itinerary, travel planner, girls travel planner, vacation. It's loads of girls trip, right? Look at this, right? It's really nice stuff. So, but guys, look, the important thing is that we analyze this. So I use EVERBEE, as you guys may know. I think it's a fantastic SEO software. You can check out free trial and the link in my description. But let's look at this in more detail. So basically, I'm going to do some product analysis, right? You got birthday itinerary. Look, it actually brings up loads of different itineraries in that search result. But let's just see exactly what it is and analyze it further, because I think it's important just to see what's going on, right? So first of all, I like to just check things out in terms of the monthly revenue. Like, I want to look at the high ones, right? But at the same time, I've got other things to analyze. So look, let's use this one. The 496 and this one, the 496. So total sales of almost $500, right? Almost $500 for 2 months listing age. That's not too shabby. That's all right. That's pretty good. 2 months, guys. Remember, a revenue stream of $500 on a new product, digital product. Remember, and digital products, the percentage in terms of the profit margin is massive, right? But that's not bad. $500, 2 months. Now, I didn't go to the first one. First one's 19 months. Obviously, the sales are better, double or more, $1,000. But I wanted to go to this one, and you can see that this one is doing quite well. I'm just going to analyze a little bit more. What I like about this is that you can see how the visibility works. So you can see the SEO score is pretty high. Conversion rate is not too bad, 3%. That's okay. But that's all right. That's pretty good, Let me just click on it. So what is this about? All right, let's just click. So it says, well, let me go to view on Etsy because I can't see it clearly on that. Right, let's have a look at this. So this is basically like a itinerary. It says a itinerary. You got different, all the different parts, the page contents, the birthdays, details, hotel, excursions. So it's literally an itinerary, but it's specific, this one, because it says, let me just exit that. So it says Lux black girls on the beach, mobile travel itinerary. So they've actually niched it down themselves within the, if you like, the girls trip niche. So yeah, so it's about niching down. You see, this is what I'm saying. It's about niching down. Weekend trip. So this one says the Lux black girls on the beach, mobile travel itinerary, digital itinerary, birthday trip. Yeah. So look, even when you start looking at some of these keywords, it's so important, because this helps you also find other things. So for example, like we looked at that one, right? If I just copy this and I just paste that myself in the link in here, and I type in template, just add to it, just to make sure that it's a digital thing, and then click enter. just to make sure that I get the right thing. And again, look, 1,400 results. That's really cool. That's so cool. And then you got all these different types of digital birthday weekend trips, and you know, so there's some great stuff. And then what I'll do is I'll go to EVERBEE product analytics just to make sure that I can find things. Now remember, the results are good in terms of like the competition. Competition not too high, which is what you want to get into. You want to get into somewhere where the competition is decent and not too bad. You know, you got this travel planner here making 400 USD, 409 USD. And you know, like this is 1 month old. 1 month old, guys, and this person is getting like almost $500. Yeah? 1 month old. You got to just, you know, look at this sometimes, because this tells you a lot, right? Let me just also just click away for a minute and see how old the shop is, because also that's important, right? See, maybe it might be an old, not too, you know, look, 9 months old, the shop. 9 months old. Right? All of these are important. And the SEO score is pretty good. 2% is okay-ish, you know. 3%, 4% is better. But, you know, see, they can even improve on the conversion, the people that click and buy the product. But let's just click on this very quickly for now. But this is what I'm saying to you guys. This is what I'm saying. So let me just look at it on Etsy. You know, this is something that you can easily create. And if you can't create it, I'll tell you what I do. If you can't create it, you just go here. Go on Fiverr. Go on Fiverr, go on Upwork, go somewhere here, and just literally find someone that can do it, right? And you got people that can do this, you know, easily, cheaply. I've just typed in digital planner, but you can type in template or anything else. Now, actually, to be honest with you, forget that. You can actually create it yourself. You can actually do it on Canva, right, yourself. And it doesn't take that long once you learn how to use Canva. And you can check out the free trial in the description, in my description below. There's obviously, that's the pro version. There's obviously a free version which you can use as well. But guys, you can do this. You can create it yourself, get a template, you know, type in what it is, like travel planner, because that's what it is, and then create something. Or like I said, you know, if you really can't or don't want to, then you can go on something like Fiverr, create something, pay someone maybe £14. There you go, digital planner, 700 pages. Look at this, crazy, 700 pages planner. Look at this one, you know, and don't forget, it's a recurring revenue stream. So that means that, you know, you sell this, and then if we just analyze something further, right? I just want to look at the analysis. Let's go back. So let's go to that travel. Which one did I go to? I lost it. Is it this one? Yeah, this one. Yeah, so it's this one. So when you actually look at this and you analyze it further, you can see, like, actually, you know, it's very doable. So it's make almost $500. It's only, you know, 31 sales. Reviews are for 1 month listing, which is crazy. In 1 month, they've got revenue stream for one product of nearly $500 and 1,838. Now, obviously, with the SEO, that's going to help it rank. But look, when you click on it itself, when you click on the travel planner, and you look at, let me see the actual. Let's have a look. Open the calculator. Can I see the calculator there? Yeah. Okay. So check this out. Basically, you know, look, the net profit is 87.23%, which is fantastic. The only fees you're paying is $1.76. Yeah, that's it. So it's a massive, massive profit margin. Net profit of $12, guys. Like I said, you know, you pay one time for someone to make it, let's say, and then you actually start getting your income all the time from this. So guys, what do you think? I think that's a really good one to actually go into itineraries. I looked at travel planners previously, but itinerary, and go into girls trip itinerary, boys trip itinerary, men's trip, whatever it is, and add another word to it. And what you'll find is you'll niche down. Now, this one I think had 1,200 or I don't know, however, but a very low amount of competition, and that's what you want to get into. You want to find those little niches because they're only going to grow, guys. They're only going to grow, and if you get in quick, then Etsy's algorithm is going to recognize that you're in there already and you're making sales. And obviously, the more sales you make, the more it likes to rank you up higher and so forth. And it's a circle, guys. It just continues. Yeah. So, guys, like I said, check out my playlist. And if you like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. And guys, don't forget, check out the free trials of EVERBEE, Canva, and all the rest that I've got in the description below. And like I said, if you do want to have a question or want to drop a comment, please do so. And I'll really be happy to answer any questions or get back to you. Guys, take care. See you in the next one.